Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, today what are we going to be shooting and doing a review on?
You know, when I heard you had never shot a shotgun, I thought this would be a great opportunity for us to do a review on a shotgun, so we picked the Benelli M4, and by many people, it would be considered the Cadillac of shotguns. So for your first shotgun that you're going to shoot, you're going to get to shoot probably one of the best guns on the market.
All right, let's do it. All right, this Benelli M4 that we have is coming in at an 18.5-inch barrel. It's black synthetic with a tactical pistol grip.
The overall length is going to be right around 40 inches, and the weight is about 7.5 pounds total.
All right, so the Benelli M4 is going to hold 5 rounds. It does come with a modified choke, which is removable.
It comes standard with ghost ring sights. You can also purchase a night sight for it as well. It comes with a Picatinny rail on it already. MSRP is $19.99. However, you will be able to find it for less than that in most retail stores. So while doing this today, we are going to shoot a variety of different types of shells that we have in our ammo can. But one thing I want to try, and I already know it's not going to work, I don't anticipate it working, but I just want to try it for fun, is the little mini shells put out by Aguila. So we're going to try to throw a few of those through there and just see if they happen. I mean, certainly they'll go bang, but I don't think it's going to cycle at all. And there you have it. So what I did basically is we're going to start off with the mini shells first. I just want to see if it'll fire them. We were able to load up 8 of these versus 5 of the standards. And there's your answer. So even taking out the equation of whether or not you could, if there's enough pressure to cycle it, the issue is that when it feeds the, I don't know if you want your close-up of this or not, but when you go to feed it, it's actually releasing 2 of the mini shells, which, can you see in there? Which is releasing 2 of the mini shells, so it now has 2 of them loaded into its chamber area, and that will not feed. Somebody should have thought this through a little better before we started. I'm gonna blame this one on Kylie.
Do we need to get a professional?
I got a knife.
That does not qualify you as a professional.
This might take a minute. You can stop wasting space. That's kind of fun.
Oh, it jammed. It stayed back. Okay.
Your first experience with the shotgun, what are your thoughts?
Powerful, but very fun.
A lot of
Very
fun.
fun.
Makes it easier to hit the targets.
Yeah.
They went flying. I'm sure Eric's not going to be happy that we tore up the wood on there a little bit. She had one failure to feed, or one malfunction. It was a relatively simple one to clear. All in all, you know, again, if you do any reviews on people who've done more extensive reviews than what we're doing today, you're going to find that Benelli is among the top of these semi-auto shotguns and among the most reliable. We did get a malfunction. Part of that was probably due to maybe her stance and her position that she had taken. And again, this is her first time shooting a shotgun ever, and I thought she did amazing. So, and I'm not a shotgun shooter either. I don't shoot shotguns very often, but I did enjoy that. The other thing I will tell you is we did shoot both low and high brass through it, and it seemed to feed both decently, so I don't think there was an issue there. All right, our 1 to 5 rating, value to quality. What do you
I think I'm gonna go with 5.
Are you? I'd probably give it a 4, but you know, as far as again, because you know there's other items that we have given a 4 that were much lower quality, but their price was also way lower. And so when I'm looking at quality to value, I think it is a phenomenal quality shotgun, but I also think it is priced. It's up there where not just anyone's going to be able to afford it.
Right.
So you're going to have to get your wallet out for this
Yeah.
one. And
You pay for good quality though.
you do pay for quality. I'd give it an overall rating of 4. You said you'd give it an overall rating of 5.
Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching our video. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do. Also like and share.
Take care, guys. She got frog in her throat.
Ribbit.
The magazine capacity is 5. And
Capacity again. Not my fault. You said capacity. I've got video.
It's not
audio.
comparable to your THC stuff.
I know.
what's drop it heel?
You know, drop a hill.
Please tell me.
Do that again.
Please tell me. Please tell me you got that.
Drop a hill.
All right.